In this video we will configure Expedition. Basically Expedition is a migration tool. Okay, migration tool means if you want to migrate from Checkpoint, either Cisco, any vendor like FTD, Cisco, ASA, to Palo Alto firewall, so you can use this tool to migrate your configuration from one supported vendor to Palo Alto firewall. So it's a very good tool. Okay, and this way you can save a lot of time. Okay, and you can improve your result as well. Why? Because suppose in organization there is old firewall Cisco SA and they want to replace them with a new Palo Alto firewall. So what you can do, you can export the configuration from Cisco SA and you can import them to the Palo Alto firewall. So these are two different vendor, but it's okay. This tool will help you to migrate a configuration from Cisco SA to Palo Alto firewall. This is just an example. It can be FortiGate, it can be FTD, it can be a Checkpoint. Okay, so these configuration can be converted to Palo Alto firewall. So let's configure them. So what can I do? Let me open VMware Workstation, how to configure this tool, and I need to go to browser and how you can download this tool. So in browser you can type download Palo Alto and this is Expedition tool, and if you write OVA so it's better. Okay, and let's go to this one, either first or second link, and let me go not this tool, so it's better I can type only this one. So download, I think so there is first or second link you can find out. I already download, but I just want to show you. Okay, so even though it's mentioned here, I need to go from this link to this one, but it's better, yeah, so this is the best link. I will share in comment box as well. So this is the link, live Palo Alto network T5 Expedition CTP migration tool, and here is OVA file, get the legacy Expedition OVA, and this is the Expedition OVA, and click download. I already have, so what I can do, go to file, open, and I already download the same one, this one, Expedition VM1110 OVA, and click open. Give a name and location where you want to import them, and click import. So it will take some time. Let me show you. There are two type of username and password. Graphically, username is admin, password is Palo Alto, admin, and password is Palo Alto, while a CLI username is Expedition and password is same Palo Alto. If you want, you can change the username and password both, it's up to you, but you can keep the default one as well. So let's go, it will take some time. Okay, so this is the username and password, and keep in mind I put them in NAT. So my NAT subnet is this one. It will take IP automatically from DHCP. So my NAT subnet is 192.168.114. So it will take automatically IP from this range. Okay, and then I can open them in my browser. So you can make them host, you can make them NAT, and even you can make them a bridge as well. It's up to you, but it's better to keep them NAT and your VMware, so it will take IP automatically from this DHCP, and then you can open it. So basically this Expedition tool is VMware's Ubuntu Linux, but they install the tool and everything and they configure them this VM. So it's a ready-made VM, and I put the username and password here. So username for CLI is Expedition and password is Palo Alto, and GUI is admin in Palo Alto. Okay, so let's wait so it can import, and then we're gonna start them straight away. You can start and it will work. By default memory is 1.5, processor will be 4, and hard drive is 40 GB, and network adapter is NAT. No need of USB and This one, all these things, it's not required, but it's there, it's okay. Okay, so it will take 1 to 2 minutes to import. It's depend on your hard drive and your resources. So let's see, it's still importing Expedition VM. It will take another 1 minute to import, and then I can show you how to access. Okay, so it's almost done. Yeah, and let's see, now it's going to import. Okay, yeah, so it's done. So 1.5 440, that's it, and start power up, power on. So let's power on and see. You see, it's a Ubuntu system basically, but they put their tool inside that one. So if you want, you can use Ubuntu and you can download this tool to that one, but that will take a time to configure. It's better to use this VM. Okay, so it's going to start, and let's see now. Yeah, so username is Expedition and password is Palo Alto. Now I'm login, Control L to clear the screen, and type ifconfig. So it's get IP 114.139 from my same range automatically, as I told you. So it's get 139. So let's go to browser, HTTPS 192.168.114.139 and enter. This is the IP they get, yeah, 192.168.114. So HTTPS 192.168.114.139. I believe it's 139, yeah. So it will take some time to show you. Maybe it will show certificate error, but it's okay. Yeah, connection timeout, it's okay. Let's enter again. So it's give you a warning of certificate, it's okay, advance and accept the risk and continue. And now it's here. Yeah, username is admin, password is Palo Alto and enter. Okay, I mistyped. So admin Palo Alto, and now you will be login to Expediate. Here is, and now you can register your device Palo Alto with this Expedition tool, and then you can import Cisco SA and other product. Okay, which is like this one. Vendor is Fortinet, Cisco, and this one, and also it support Juniper as well, and Checkpoint, and this is the Palo Alto. So these are the vendor which they support, and you can import the configuration and you can export them to the Palo Alto firewall. Okay, we will cover this in next video, but this is the way how to install and configure Expedition tool, which is a migration tool to migrate from other vendor to Palo Alto firewall.